Ready to unlock a super precise way to track website clicks, even when you don't have IDs or classes to work with? First, head into Google Tag Manager and navigate to the Variables section. Found in the left-hand navigation menu, this is where we'll configure the built-in variable that does the heavy lifting. Now scroll down to the built-in variables section and click Configure. A panel will appear. Find the click text variable and make sure it's checked. This activates the variable, allowing us to access the text content of clicked elements. Next, let's create a new trigger. Click on Triggers in the left navigation. Then hit the New button to create a new trigger. Choose Click as the trigger type for more precise tracking. Select all elements. Now, select this trigger fires on some clicks. This is where we specify the condition based on the text content of the clicked element. In the condition drop-down, choose Click Text, then select the operator contains or equals, depending on whether you want to match a partial or exact text string. Finally, enter the specific text you want to track. For example, subscribe now. Now link this trigger to a tag, such as a Google Analytics event tag. This way, every time someone clicks on an element with the specific text you defined, an event will be fired in Google Analytics. Remember to save your tag and trigger. Before publishing, test your setup using GTM's preview mode. Click the Subscribe Now button on your website or whichever text you are tracking. Confirm that the event is firing correctly in the Google Analytics real-time reports. That's it. You've successfully implemented click text tracking.